Papasok hello. How are you? Wow, brown eyes. Oh, brown eyes.
Kitty, advance happy birthday.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, mangutana tanami kang Kitty if you have plans to celebrate your birthday together with the Filipino community here or you already have plans?
Yeah. After the visit.
May visit kasi tapos may gamay mi din. Nami visit tama. Okay. Doon lang mi kadiyot.
On her birthday itself?
Yes, we can stop by.
Okay.
Gamay
After
lang.
the visit.
So that we
Mahal mo kayo maghanap.
Dili kaya pwede. Kabalaw ya ka mga kababayan nato. Bakit yung cake? Mag-cake lang ma'am. Just like what we did to your father with your father's
We
birthday.
can after the visit. For sure, after the visit.
And that's on Thursday, no?
Vivian.
Yeah, April 10.
April 10, yeah. Wow. Because we're also thinking of holding on the 11th of April, marks the first month of your father's detention. So we want to offer prayers. We're going to gather dito sa mismo. ICC mismo, ma'am. Gabiin na siya.
Gabi.
Oh, from...
Sige mo, mga tuta na.
Yeah.
Thank you. It will be nice kung naamo dito, ma'am. Dito mismo sa ICC. We already secured the permit, so that would be nice. We also invited some people to talk and to share stories as well with regards to your father.
Ma'am, kumusta ho si President?
Okay na.
Nakapag-adjust na po ba siya?
Okay siya. Sabi niya, nakaano na daw siya.
Adjusting better.
Nakaano na daw siya sa pagkain.
Anong pinaka-namimiss pa rin po niya?
Family kay pagka magdetalya na sa family parang masakitan siya. Gusto niya yung kami nag-visit kami lang. Ayan magdetalya na si ganito na apo mga ganito. So but we keep on telling him that we are here. Diyon ba ako ha? Suportan niya.
Support kita hanggang sa dulo, ma'am.
Dito po kami.
Di gyud tam undang, ma'am. Mao gyud na siya. Correct, ma'am.
Ina na ko, God will make a way.
Exactly. Amen, ma'am.
God will make a way.
Unsa pinaka-na-miss ni former President, ma'am, sa Pilipinas?
Pilipinas?
Pilipinas
In general na.
In general.
Yung kwarto, syempre, di ba? Pero, you know what? Wala. But, yun ang mga, they've been so kind, diha ba? I think, kung mausa ni ma-presidente na siya diha.
Bakit po? Bakit?
Kay the people, you know, the mga guards has been assuring me, do not worry, we are taking good care of him. Ano ba? Kuan mo siya, even during the time na, during sa Villamor, di ba? Kami, we were so, I asked him how do you feel? Are you angry? He said no. Ano siya na, kaya yung mga gumawa sa kanya nito,
Gabaan na, ma'am.
impyerno kayo.
Si Turi tuloy.
Because, you know, wala siyang, kami pa, masakit yung, ako pa, sabi ko sa kanya, pero sabi niya, no, yun ang maano talaga siya ng tao. Kilala niyo, naging presidente.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly, ma'am.
Tsaka, yung, all he cared for was about his country and about his countrymen. Alam nyo yan.
There's no doubt, ma'am. There's no doubt.
Kaya, that's why nga, ako, to be honest with you, mangutana ko sa Ginoo. Nga naman, Lord. Up to now, I'm still, dagang question mark. So, buti sa anak ko naging tarantado, magnanakaw. Diba?
Greedy yung kabila, ma'am. Greedy.
Di ba? Wala tinarong wala may wala nag-abuso katong time na kuan ka, wala na. There was no air about him na presidente siya. That was my prayer put before ba na, Lord, help me to remain humble. And then same po sa iyahan na kita niyo man magkasta. Wala siyang air na.
Na ba siya message mo?
Actually, this one is win-win ni sa iyaha Nakita niyo naman. Ang kala nila yun ang that will put him down. Kamali sila. Wrong move.
Nagsisimula pa lang po.
Nagsisimula.
Dapat
Kaya lang kailangan ito talaga tapusin talaga natin.
Ay, nandito lang po kami, madam.
Meron ba siyang message, ma'am, sa
Yes,
mga
sir,
kababayan?
he has a
Ayun,
message for...
sinabi
So,
niya.
sabi niya, mabuhay ang Pilipinas and mabuhay ang Pilipino. So, again, he wants to extend his gratitude to all of you here, and sabi niya that he is willing to make that sacrifice. So,
Yes, sacrifice will not be.
We will extend our gratitude as well, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
thank you.
We
Thank
So
you.
ano talaga,
take note of his
means
sacrifice.
this is the sacrifice for all of you to know what's really happening.
Yeah.
He sacrificed
Yun ang
more than us.
Yeah.
So,
mong papasalamat.
I will, ma'am.
Exactly.
He knows. He's very happy to know na you're still here outside.
Hanggang sa dulo.
Every time we visit, he thinks na no one's outside anymore. But I do assure him that no, there's still people outside. And I told him na
ibang tao yan.
medyo madami kayo. So,
Ma'am,
I told him that also. So thank you so much.
Padayon ta, padayon. Para sa kaugmaon.
ma'am,
Unsa yung reaction ni former President, ma'am, na gilabel na siya na Duterte Park?
nakatawa siya. Eksakam ka lang sa gawas, gig pangalan nila Duterte pa. Tapos akong giingna na every time na there are gatherings here outside, di ba, ginasabihan niya ang mga pulis na we want our president home. So yung mga police, we also want him home. Kaya gisabukan.
Exactly. That is true, ma'am. Yeah, yung gid ang police bitaw ana. Yung gid sila.
Nangamatay
ma'am, paano ho pinaghahandaan ng family? Kasi malaki na ho yung gastos din po ninyo sa pagbiyahe-biyahe. Tapos mga foreigner po yung mga lawyers po natin.
Eh, ganun talaga. Kaya sinabi ko nga paghahandaan namin kahit na mangutang kami, gagawin namin. Because we told him we are going to support him all through. Yun ang ano.
Hindi po kayo
Baka
hingin ng...
kasi marami kasing nagpupunwari ba?
Ah.
Beware lang kayo.
Correct,
Yun
ma'am.
lang ano ko.
Tulong tayo sa eleksyon,
Okay man lang yung mga
debate,
friends namin na nag-support. Meron man kami mga friends na nag-support. Pero yun lang, baka mabudol mo ba?
Pabudol.
Ayaw mo pabudol.
Oh, ma'am,
Ayaw mo.
hindi kayo hingi ng legal aid ba sa ICC? Para at least makabawas lang.
Basta when it comes to legal,
Si attorney.
we leave it to, sorry.
Attorney Kaufman.
Hi, Shanta.
The Vice
Nice to
President
meet
kay
Ah,
siya
okay.
may lawyer. So,
Wala ko gamot, ma'am. Pasensya.
Tama.
I'm pretty sure, ma'am, that the former president is also looking forward as also ang mga kababayan nato sa mga Davaoenos, we look forward din nila na i-welcome ang atong soon to be mayor of Davao. Is he excited about the
yes,
idea, ma'am?
he's looking forward to that. I think they're arranging something para I just don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
Hindi man po ako So,
Kumusta yung pag-stay din?
okay lang. Adjusting me sa food. Medyo na-diet me. One day, one eat ra. Naluwi ko sa akong anak ko. One day, one eat.
Mamaya, dito, sir.
Nice na
Ay, thank you.
Hindi sanay sa bread.
Yeah.
Magkagwapa no?
Bitaw.
No. Ma'am, sabi niyo po kanina parang kayo pa yung medyo nagagalit pero si PRRD parang mas nagpapatawad pa siya.
Calm and collected
Calm
as
and-
always.
Yung
Has
lahat ng
been-
ginawa sa kanya na yon.
Very presidentiable talaga siya. Kaya yung actually it went beyond yung gusto sabi nga niya na yung opponent niya has wala na talaga. Down. Zero politically wala na. Kasi nagkamali nga sila eh. It made him I told him you're more popular now than when you were president.
Yeah.
Diba? You made that world record of worldwide celebration ng birthday mo.
Dapat nasa Guinness na
Most
yun.
popular
So-
detainees in ICC all over the world.
So yung mga mga tawag nito yung mga sabi ko sa kanya mga tao diyan nandiyan nakasuporta pa rin sa inyo.
Thank you so much.
Mensahe ma'am sa mga taong padayon nga nagsuporta dili lang diri sa Duterte Park diri sa Tito Kalibutan.
Maghimo taog collective prayers tanan ta. Kabalot gyud ko God is listening. He knows.
Yes, ma'am.
Akala nila matago nila for a long time. The Kabalumanta, the people knows.
Yeah.
When he was president, alam mo, sabihin ko sa inyo, ito alam mo niyan, yung 'di ba yung PGH, 'di ba? They were told sa siya presidente, they will okay, we will give you 100 billion something budget. So the people there at PGH, yung mga director diyan, akala nila na one time lang 'yon. Alam niyo ba 'yon? Monthly 'yon until natapos siya pagka-presidente. So nakita niyo yung dali naman guro mo kalimot. Pero ako
Give me makalimot ni PRRD.
masakitan ko kay I know his sacrifices ba nga to the extent na malimtan niya ma-disregard ang family. Every time he talks about, panghadlok naman na iyaha. Di ba? Panghadlok niya pag
Bluff, tatay mo.
bluff ba?
Kagaling
Ano
mong
ba?
tatay
Di
ba?
ba kita, tatay, nanay, di ba? Manghadlok man ka.
Sinod.
Paon ako bakos.
Oo.
Silip to po. So, when he was president, ingana na naiyaha, pasuko-suko na naiyaha. So, what happens yung pasuko-suko? Nalimpyo tong
Yeah.
ugaw kayong Pasig yan sa taga Manila.
I like your name, Chantel. How old are
Pasig
you?
River. Di ba nalimpyo. Tapos, tanan na.
I like your
Sulti lang
eyes.
siya o something na. But everything is, wala yun na siya. All I can tell you, wala yun to siya personal interest. So nagkamali din kayo na to those who are thinking na mo itong mga oligarch nagkaroon, at least nagkaroon tayo ng presidente na hindi nagkaroon ng personal interest. He did not think about, magbulsa siya ng enriching himself while he's there. He never, not one single pag-isipan na gano'n. Ang sa kanya talaga is he took his oath seriously na ginawa niya ang lahat
You know
para
you're
sa
the same age as my sister.
So, sometimes ako pa ang kay, siyempre kabalo ko
She's very beautiful.
hindi nyo
just
alam
like
yung
you.
during pandemic, sakripisyo niya. He doesn't want to he doesn't want the people to know, to be scared na, ay, walang leader, walang namumuno.
You have lipstick.
Yung lahat ng mga nandun, mga PSG niya, mga whatever protocol,
I think pink suits you very well.
they've been telling him not to conduct
Yeah, I know.
cabinet meetings,
He's
pero
very
siya
pretty.
wala sa kanya. So be it.
Are you here
when
for
when it happened,
No.
that incident in Marawi, sabi
It's
ko,
good
di
that
naka
you're here. Can you handle the
mulupad.
weather?
Mulupad yun siya. He was there for the
Just fine?
soldiers.
You're
Pero
doing
unsay
fine?
gibuhat sa mga sundalo.
Yeah.
Pag nagkukwentuhan po kayo, ma'am, ni PRRD, anong mensahe niya sa mga gumawa nito sa kanya?
Thank you.
Alam mo, I will just let God do the revenge for us.
Yes.
Diyos, hindi nila maano yan. Hanggang apo yan nila. Hanggang apo ng apo nila. Hanggang doon ang nila. Hanggang doon ang parusa ng Diyos. So, Diyos nang bahala sa kanila. Hindi nila matakasan yan. This one will be the start of, you will know, nakita niyo naman, miski na sa Senate, di ba? Nakita niyo naman. They will never be given the chance by the Philippine people. Saka, Diyos yan.
Manilet nay nanguta nagikan sa Agdaw. Agdaw ko. Unsay message mo para sa taga Agdaw, ma'am? Taga Atuan.
Oy, mga taga-Agdaw, bantay lang mo, ha? Zero ang kalaban, ha? Bantay lang.
Ma'am Manilet, palihog ko promote sa PDP, ma'am, na
PDP. Siyempre, tanan, maog yun na, di ba, as initially yun si Vice President. Ayaw magbisita diri kung di mo mahimong senator. Straight ta PDP. Straight yung ta PDP. Ngano magkamali pa man ta o magsalig o kuan nakita man ta.
So much of my
Those people na ato ang giboto supposed to protect us, to protect the interest of the Filipinos, to protect the kwarta of the country. Wa naman. naman.
Ma'am, sorry po to ask. Baka meron lang po kayong reaction sa comment po ng Palasyo ng Malacanang na sabi niya kay Attorney Kaufman, good luck daw para i-prove na innocent daw po si PRRD.
Ganda naman yung sinabi niya, good luck. Pero sabihin ko, God bless. Yes. Yung blessings na. Good luck is for the Walang Diyos yan eh. Pero ang sa atin, God bless. Sa mga ano yan, mga ganyan na tao yan. I don't think of them as tao. I don't think of them as tao.
Kailan po inaasahan po si Congressman Paulo, ma'am? Sabi po ni VP Sara parang pupunta rin daw po.
Naantay ko pa nga eh. Naantay ko.
Pag siya po ay pumunta, kayo po ay palit naman?
Magsabay muna kami tapos mag-usapan pa natin. Salamat ha.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you ah.
Ma'am, God bless.
I had to take it. I had to take it off when I was taking a bath. When are you coming again?